Welcome to Spyder Auto's Projector Headlight Installation Guide for the Dodge Ram. Before we get started, you'll need a 10mm socket and ratchet, and a panel popper. We'll start by opening the hood. The first thing we'll do here is remove these 6 plastic retainers that secure the cover panel. We have to remove the cover panel and grille before we can remove the headlights. Use a panel popper to remove the plastic retainers. Remove the cover panel. Before we continue, use either painter's tape or masking tape to mask off the area below the grille to protect the paint finish while we're working. With the cover panel removed, we can now access and then remove the 4 10mm bolts that secure the grille. With the bolts removed, we can take out the grille by pulling it forward from the top. Remove the grille and set it aside. Remove the 2 10mm bolts securing the headlight, but it won't come free just yet. Step over to the fender well. In the fender well is this access flap. Open it by removing the plastic retainer holding it closed. You'll need to push upwards on the white retainer tab to unlock the headlight so that it can be removed. Then we can unseat the headlight. Remove the turn signal socket from the headlight assembly. Then disconnect the wiring harness. Remove the headlight and set it aside. Now we have to transfer a bulb from our old headlights to our new Spyder headlight. Remove the high beam bulb from your OEM headlights as shown. Install the high beam bulb into the Spyder headlight as shown. Be sure that all bulb gaskets are intact and that all seals are securely in place to prevent condensation problems. Now we can install the headlight. Reinstall the turn signal bulb socket, being sure to twist it securely into place. Then reconnect the wiring harness to the headlight. Feed the harness back into the body, tucking it safely aside, and then seat the headlight. Now we'll reinstall the 2 10mm bolts that secure the headlight. We can't forget about that retainer slider though. Lock the headlight in place by pushing up on the retainer slider. Go ahead and reseat the grille. Then reinstall the 4 10mm bolts that hold the grille in place. Then replace the cover panel. Reinstall the 6 plastic retainers that secure the cover panel. Just close the hood and you're done. Congratulations, you've fitted your Ram with a set of slick projector headlights from Spyder Auto.